a pretty dreary day here, but I bought something for my truck. Got some bed rails, plastic bed rails that go on the rail of the bed to kind of protect it. I got the Husky quad caps. It seems nice and durable, so I'm about to walk through the video of actually putting this on. Alright, one side is complete. Okay, I'm back. My battery, actually my storage went full on my phone, so I had to delete some stuff off, but I did finish the side up. Here's how it look. I'm just gonna walk around the truck just to show you. It does make the truck bed actually looks better, which adds to the whole look of the truck. The tailgate piece was already there, so I didn't have to add that. Like I said, it does make the truck look a little bit better to me, as well as protecting the sides. I actually had a couple of scratches on it already just for tossing things on the back of the truck. And there's the goat, still needing to be tuned.